everyone, it's Anne-Marie from Anne-Marie Creates. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share with you today my next Country Craft Creations Design Team package and the paper collection that I'll be working with for my next project. I'm super excited. It's adorable. It's Halloween. It's all the things. I am not a big spooky Halloween type person, but the cutesy stuff gets me every single time. So let's jump in and I'll show you what I'm going to work with. So first off, I've got this beautiful green satin ribbon. I think this is satin. It feels like it. It's just, it is mint is the color. It's just beautiful. So I've got, I don't know, maybe about 2 yards of that. I think maybe a yard. And it's 5/8 of an inch. So again, that's mint. I'm just going to set that aside. Then I've got the gorgeous orange, the little mini pom-poms. The color of this is rusty. And the description box, I'll have a link to all of these items in the description box. So gorgeous. It's not orangey orange. It's more of a rusty orange, which is perfect, like a spicy orange. Then I'm kind of excited about these. I have never worked with Altenew inks that I can recall. Some of these are hard to see, but this first one, you can't even see that because it's so faint. It's called Peachy Glow. Oh, so this is the Altenew, probably should tell you that. The Altenew Sun-Kissed Delights Fresh Dye Ink. It's a fast-drying dye ink, beautiful flawless coverage. The colors are Peachy Glow, Golden Honeycomb, Amber Blaze, and Melted Butterscotch. So this is a dye ink. I think I said that 15 times. So, ooh, kind of afraid to open it. I can't get it open. Oh, there we go. So perfect Halloween color. So that's Peachy Glow. This one is Golden Honeycomb. My goodness, these are hard to open. Oh, well, that's really pretty. Golden Honeycomb. Amber Blaze. I'm sure there's a way to do this without breaking my nails. Or sticking my finger right in it. Oh, that's pretty. Amber Blaze. These are going to be perfect for my little book. And Melted Butterscotch. Ooh, that's pretty. So I'm excited about that. So you'll see what I do with those. And it's funny. The things that excite me the most are usually the little tiny things, Love this. So these are Buttons Galore and More. It's their Halloween collection. They're the little, I don't know if you can tell that there's like the little shank on the buttons. There's a little ghosty, a wizard hat, a witch hat, or a witch, and another witch hat. There is it's hard to see, there's a pumpkin that has a witch on the outside. And there's a little Frankie. He's cute. So yeah, so that's really cute. I have a good idea what I'm going to do with that. Then we have the Echo Park. I haven't worked with Echo Park in a while because I've been working with, a lot of different paper collections, but I'm so happy to come back to one of my all-time faves, Echo Park. It's their Spooktacular Halloween. I mean, it's so cheesy and I love it. So these are some of the papers and I'm going to go through them with you. These are both front and back. So there's a little coffin, hint, something might be, little hint about what's coming up. Look at all these cute, and you know what? Don't ever just throw this away. If you like the fussy cut, which everybody knows I hate the fussy cut, but I absolutely love these. You can use these like little ephemera pieces, little, for little tuck spots, little jar full of eyeballs. Oh, this is so fun in a little Frankie bucket. I absolutely love it. So in this kit, you get 12 by 12 double-sided papers, 12 by 12 element sticker I'll show you in a bit, and I think that's it. And then you have the cut apart pages. the 4x6 and the 3x4. And then there's some of these little funky sizes in here. And then the border strips. That's super, super fun. So we will start with this page. This page is called Trick or Treat. I mean, come on, how cute is that? And then the reverse are the little Trick or Treat buckets with all the little candies all over. Super, super cute. Then this one is called Spooktacular Costumes. There's a little witch. There's somebody having a bad day. And then, oh, what's her name? Frankenstein's bride, and the little mummy, and the little Dracula. How super cute, a little Frankie. And then the back it's orange with some, I don't know if it's like a reddish color star. It's hard to tell on the screen. It just looks orange, but it's definitely like a reddish color. This one is called Spooky Ghosts. I mean, if that's spooky, I think it's super, super cute. On my screen, it's looking a little gray, but it's actually a mint green with the cute little ghosties all over. And then I love this pattern. Look at that. Love it. This one is called Coffin Friends. It's an orange background with black bats all over. And then there's the coffins. This one, Scary Skeletons. The spooky, spooky skeleton song just popped in my head. That's super cute. And then I'm really digging these stripes. I wish I would have got two of this page because I don't want to... Oh, look how cute that looks together. Oh, why did they do this to me? Okay, and then we got the witch's boots. And this one is called Feeling Witchy. Super cute. So the little legs and the witch boots and some bats. And the background is, the reverse side is skull and, it's very faint. It's like hard to see it. Like skull and crossbones. And this is Boo Pumpkins. Because, I don't know. Can't you see the pumpkins on that page? But there they are. There's the Boo Pumpkins. So see, Boo, Boo. Cute, cute. This one is called Haunted Houses. Super, super adorable. And then there's a really nice fall plaid. Okay, and then the fun part, well, it's all fun, but you get 3 pages of cut aparts. Actually, you might as well call it 4 pages of cut aparts. So these are the 3x4s. The Happy Halloween, My Little Monster, Let the Monster Out. That's super cute. If you got it, haunt it. This is Halloween. It's candy time. That one's super cute with the little black cat. It's the spooky season. Nobody told me Sally was in this paper collection. That's so funny. I've got this feeling inside my bones. Just creeping it real. Trick or treat. And then there's all the little costumes. Hashtag squad ghouls. That's funny. Instead of squad goals, it's ghouls. And then the back. Why do they always do this to me? The cutest pattern papers are always on the back of the cut aparts. It's all because they want you to buy 2. And I should buy 2. So here's another. These are the 4x6s. Look at these little houses. Happy haunting. Time for a fright because it's Halloween night. I love that one. Spooky, scary skeleton sends shivers down your spine. Again, the song stuck in my head. Some of my best friends are ghouls. This one's cute. And oh, there's a couple little, what are these, 2x2s? These make really great little tuck spots. And then the back, oh, I love this one. Look at that. Love it. Okay. And then we have 2 more. So then we have, these are 4x4s, I believe. So Spooky Vibes Only, Let's Go Ghouls, The Boo Crew, I Think You're Fantastic. This one's cute. There's that pattern I love. Smell My Feet, Let's Get Scary, Trick or Treat, and Shake Your Boo Thing. And then who doesn't love a good Halloween polka dot? Last one, there's some border strips here. Oops, sorry. There's the costume crew, some bats, and then some pumpkins and skellies. Then over here we have Trick or Treat, Smell My Feet, Give Me Something Good to Eat, Happy Halloween, Haunting Wishes and Ghoulish Dreams, Screams, sorry, Ghoulish Screams. And then there's the, looks like a ticket, the little coffin. And then I Love You for Your Brains. That's funny. Then this is what, a 4x2 probably. And it's Sweet and Spooky. And then there's just another little pumpkin. And Boo to You. Love that. And then the back just says Boo all over it. So love that page too. So again, this is the part of the whole collection kit that I love the most, is all the stickers. And there's probably chipboard pieces and probably ephemera pieces, but I didn't get those to work with this time, but this will work in their place. So again, Sally keeps popping up. Yeah, I love the Trick or Treat. There's a little gummy bear. Candy corn, not my fave. Look at the Mummy and Frankie. There's the whole costume crew. You got your black cats. You got some gummy worms, some potion bottles, coffins, spooky trees, like all the good things. There's a little cauldron. And then I love this sticker strip with the spider webs and the little whatever you call that. Zigzag. That's it. But anyway, great stickers here. Oh, I love the Boo with the hat. Very cute. Very cute. All right, and then I have for my cardstock, I have some of the, these are the what do they call these pages? I didn't get the actual packaging, but I believe it's like the coordinating cardstock that goes with the paper collection, because it does say Spooktacular Halloween on it. So this one is light orange, and the back side is, oh, I did it this way. And the back side is teal. I put them side by side. I have 2 pieces of each. Love that. And then we have the pink. Oops. Pink and black. So the black is on the reverse side of the pink. And it's more of a, it looks pretty dark on my screen, but it's more of like a charcoaly black. Not quite gray, but not quite black. And then we have mint again, but with an orange. It's like a little bit of a darker oranage than the original one. So yeah, so those are the cardstocks I'm going to use. And then I put it under here. I have 2 pieces of chipboard. Oh, I have 3 pieces. I have 2 pieces of medium weight chipboard. And then I took it out of the package because it was glaring. I have some Tonic Craft Perfect paper. It is their, is this mirror card? Yep, sorry, that was the back. The mirror card in glossy black. It's 8.5 by 11, and there's 5 sheets. Ooh, that's spooky. Oh, you can see my light in my camera. But, yeah. It's like you could barely see it. Anyway, it's so gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. It's very glossy. So yeah, I'm super excited about everything that I have to work with. Stay tuned because my project is coming up. and I will post a couple of sneak peeks shortly. I am actually going out of town later this weekend, so I hope to have everything done when I get back. So yeah, go grab the Spooktacular Halloween. It is super cute. It's not little kiddish, you know, Halloween. I mean, I guess it kind of could be, but yeah, I love it. I think you'll love it too. And the links for everything will be in the description box below. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I always try to answer any questions, either on Facebook or here on YouTube. So if you get the paper collection, I'd love to see what you make. So happy weekend, everybody. And I will follow up shortly with the project. Take care. Bye.